Welcome to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing it ourselves.
All right, so finally got it back. Thanks to American Outdoor Power Timpson for doing all the work, and for DR for supplying a brand new engine. They've supplied just the whole unit. They didn't have to use any of the old parts or any of that, so it's a whole new engine. So I guess I'm gonna fire it up for the first time and put something through it, and hopefully nothing breaks this time. Let's see. So it's gonna be a bit noisy, but bear with me. Oh, turn the fuel on. Yeah, maybe there was something wrong with it initially. Anyway, nice. So I'm going to put a stick through it. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, that sounds way better. That sounds really smooth. It's not as noisy.
All right, so as you can see, I was running it. I think it was open all the way, pretty much. I figured I'd just break it in a little bit without revving the living crap out of it. But hey, sounds better, works great. Next thing up's probably going to be a new knife for the chipper blade. But yeah, happy. Now we'll get back to work. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe. We have all kinds of stuff we do all the time that we try and get a video of and put up. I'll reiterate, considering that Briggs wouldn't, or was being awkward about replacing the engine, DR didn't bat an eyelid. They contacted the shop, spoke to the lady, set it up, shipped it, tied it all together. I literally had to go to drop it off and pick it up. It was very excellent customer service. If you're gonna get a piece of yard equipment, you can buy cheaper stuff, but you're buying cheaper stuff. And from the customer service and warrant, just ease of everything,
And backing their company.
yeah, and backing their product, I would buy more DR stuff, just because, hey, something goes wrong, you know, they're on it, and super nice to deal with and everything else. It was a simple process. So I actually recommend the brand. No, they don't sponsor us or anything like that. I mean, if they want to send me more stuff to try, that's fine. But
Yeah.
I'm just extremely pleased with them as a company. They stood by their product and stepped up.
For that reason.
Excellent, excellent.
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing it